Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the financial planning feature on the Ask AI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should scroll down and tap on the career section in the middle of the screen, then scroll down to the bottom and click on financial planning. Here you can see the preset instruction: act as an accountant, you should be investor, consultant and rational. My first sentence is my monthly savings are $3,000. How can I manage this money for my e-commerce venture? But feel free to customize the instruction to your preferences, according to your preferences. And then click on the send button on the right side of the screen, and in a few seconds you will be able to see the message generated by the AI. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.